The A320 has fire detection and extinguishing systems for the engines and APU, smoke detection in the avionics bay, smoke detection and fire extinguishing systems in the cargo compartments and lavatories, portable fire extinguishers for the flight compartment and the cabin. The engines and APU each have a fire detection system. Each system consists of two identical detection loops, A and B, mounted in parallel, a fire detection unit, FDU. Each engine is equipped with two extinguisher bottles. The discharge of the bottles is activated by an associated push-button switch. The push buttons are located on the fire panel on the overhead panel. For the APU, there is one fire extinguisher bottle. Its discharge is activated either by a push button or automatically if there is an APU fire when the aircraft is on the ground. The guarded fire push buttons provide fire indication and enable the corresponding system to be isolated. Their use will be shown in the Fire Drills module. The test buttons are used to test the respective fire detection and extinguishing system operation. You will perform this test in the normal operation module. In addition to the indications on the fire panel, you have a fire light for each engine on the engine panel located on the pedestal. These lights identify which engine is on fire. There is an additional fire light for the APU and a guarded APU shut-off push button located on the external power panel. A smoke detection system is provided for the avionics. Its detector is located in the air extraction duct. The indications for avionics smoke are located on two panels in the cockpit: the emergency electrical power panel, the ventilation panel. The lavatory smoke detection system consists of one smoke detector in each lavatory, linked to the Smoke Detection Control Unit, SDCU. The SDCU transmits the signals to the FWC for warnings in the cockpit and to the Cabin Intercommunication Data System, CIDS, for warning in the cabin. In addition, each lavatory waste bin has an automatic fire extinguishing system. A total of 6 smoke detectors are installed in the cargo compartments. There are 2 detectors in the forward compartment, 4 in the aft compartment. Each detector is linked to one of the 2 detection loops. The SDCU receives signals from the detectors and sends them to the FWC for display in the cockpit. On the overhead panel, the cargo smoke panel indicates cargo smoke detection. The 2 guarded discharge push buttons control one fire bottle. Each push button switch controls one squib or discharge head of the bottle. When pushed, the fire bottle is completely emptied in the corresponding compartment. The fire extinguishing agent is discharged either via one nozzle into the forward compartment or 2 nozzles into the aft compartment. Finally, there are portable fire extinguishers in the cockpit and the cabin. The number, type and locations depend on the different customer layouts.